Sure, here are some questions and answers about IPv4, Internet Protocol version 4. What is IPv4? IPv4, Internet Protocol version 4, is the fourth version of the Internet Protocol, which is the primary protocol used to transmit data over the Internet. It is the most widely used version of the protocol and is the basis for most of the infrastructure that supports the Internet. What are the main features of IPv4? Some of the main features of IPv4 include addressing. IPv4 uses 32-bit addresses to identify devices on a network. The address space of IPv4 is approximately 4.3 billion addresses. Routing. IPv4 uses a hierarchical routing structure to route packets between networks. Routers use the destination address in the packet header to determine the next hop, or the next router that the packet should be forwarded to. Fragmentation and reassembly. IPv4 allows packets to be fragmented into smaller packets and reassembled at the destination, which allows them to be transmitted over networks with different MTUs, maximum transmission units. Header format. The header of an IPv4 packet includes several fields, such as the source and destination addresses, the time to live, TTL, field, and the protocol field. What are the limitations of IPv4? Some of the limitations of IPv4 include limited address space. The address space of IPv4 is limited to approximately 4.3 billion addresses, which is insufficient to accommodate the growing number of devices that are connected to the Internet. Lack of support for certain features. IPv4 does not natively support certain features, such as security and mobility, which are required by modern networks. Complex header format. The header format of IPv4 is complex and inefficient, which can result in slower routing of packets. Fragmentation and reassembly. The fragmentation and reassembly of packets can be resource-intensive and can impact the performance of the network. Why was IPv6 developed? IPv6 was developed to address the limitations of IPv4, which include the limited address space and the lack of support for certain features, such as security and mobility. IPv6 was designed to provide a larger address space and to support additional features that are required for the growing number of devices that are connected to the Internet.